Welcome to Jasmine Home and Garden, a place for calm interior design and elegant home decor. If you enjoy these ideas, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
Rock gardens begin with a strong and natural foundation that feels grounded and timeless. Stones create structure while blending seamlessly into the surrounding environment. Unlike traditional planting beds, these layouts rely on form and texture as much as color. Each stone contributes to a balanced and stable composition. The overall design feels calm and enduring rather than temporary. Natural materials connect the garden to the landscape around it. This approach creates a sense of permanence and quiet strength. A rock garden offers beauty that remains consistent throughout the seasons. Simplicity is at the heart of a successful rock garden layout. Clean arrangements of stone and planting prevent visual clutter. Open spaces between elements allow the design to breathe. Each feature is placed with intention rather than excess. This thoughtful restraint creates a refined and peaceful atmosphere. Natural lines guide the eye across the landscape. Balance becomes more important than quantity. A simple composition often feels more elegant and enduring. Selecting appropriate stones shapes the entire character of the garden. Larger boulders act as anchors within the layout. Smaller stones fill gaps and create texture across the surface. Variation in size and shape adds natural interest. Earth-toned colors help maintain harmony with the surroundings. Weathered surfaces introduce subtle depth and authenticity. Carefully placed stones appear as though they belong naturally in the space. Thoughtful selection ensures a cohesive and balanced design. Rock gardens pair beautifully with plants that thrive in dry conditions. Succulents, alpine plants, and hardy perennials require minimal watering. These plants complement the rugged textures of stone with soft organic forms. Their compact growth fits naturally between rocks and gravel. Seasonal blooms add gentle color without overwhelming the design. This combination reduces maintenance while maintaining beauty. Plants and stones work together in quiet balance. A drought-tolerant palette supports sustainability and ease of care. A well-designed rock garden guides the eye through gentle movement. Stones are arranged to lead attention naturally across the space. Curved lines create a sense of softness and continuity. Pathways of gravel or stepping stones enhance this flow. Each element connects smoothly to the next. The design feels cohesive rather than fragmented. Visual movement adds interest without complexity. Flow transforms a simple layout into an engaging landscape. One of the greatest advantages of rock gardens is their minimal upkeep. Stones require little care once properly placed. Drought-tolerant plants reduce the need for frequent watering. Gravel surfaces help prevent weed growth. Occasional cleaning keeps the space neat and defined. This simplicity allows the garden to remain attractive with less effort. Time spent maintaining the space is greatly reduced. A low-maintenance design supports long-term enjoyment. Rock gardens rely heavily on texture to create visual interest. Rough stone surfaces contrast with smooth gravel and soft plant forms. This variation adds depth without relying on strong color. Light and shadow enhance the details of each surface. Subtle contrasts create a calm yet engaging composition. Texture becomes the primary design element. Each material contributes to a layered visual experience. The result is both simple and richly detailed. A rock garden is designed to last and improve over time. Stones weather gently and develop deeper character. Plants settle into the landscape and grow more naturally each year. The overall design becomes more integrated with its environment. Seasonal changes bring subtle variation without disruption. The garden remains stable and visually pleasing. This enduring quality creates lasting satisfaction. A sustainable rock garden offers beauty that stands the test of time.
Timeless home aesthetics rest on calm spaces, gentle color harmony, layered textures, and thoughtful flow that bring comfort into daily surroundings. If these ideas brought inspiration, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite detail in the comments so this space can continue to grow with warmth and elegance.